right, so we're gonna do some handling instruction with a little Kaik who has a wound on his leg, and some demonstration for how to administer oral medication, liquid medication at home. So Monty is a little nervous and he doesn't like being handled, and right now he has an Elizabethan collar, a soft collar on, so it makes him a little easier to handle. And so I'm going to get him out, I'm going to see what it looks like to handle him with the collar, and then I'm going to take the collar off in a separate video, which you can also watch, and see what it's like handling a bird that really doesn't want to be handled and wants to bite, to give oral medications without the collar. So this is part 1 of 2. So when I'm approaching a bird, he's running away. These collars are really convenient because you can really come up behind the bird and he can't really get me this way. So I'm literally just kind of holding on behind him here, holding the collar, and I'm going to come up under, and I'm just holding him around his neck underneath the collar like this, and I'm just going to pick him up like this. Hey Monty. So I'm right-handed and I like to give medications with my right hand. I'm actually not going to even use this towel because for me I don't need it because he's got the collar. So I've already got his medication drawn up. This is actually just water, but if it were medication that I were giving him, I would want to draw it up ahead of time. So the idea with birds when you're giving them medicine is you want them to bite the syringe, and you're going to slowly put the medication up over the tongue. I'm kind of moving my hands above his head because I like to hold their head still. If I don't hold his head still, he can turn away from me. Let's see what he does without holding his head. So here I am, and I'm just kind of putting it in the corner here, and I'm going to squirt a little over his tongue. Yummy, yummy. So this is just water. He actually really likes this. Most of the, I should say all of the medication that we're ever going to send you home with for your bird is going to be flavored in some way. So it may not taste great, but it isn't horrible tasting. That's just water. So he's taking this really well. I'm just holding him, again, against my body a little bit. I'm kind of pushing him, his feet against my belly, letting him feel secure as I hold him with my hand. This is just me doing this by myself, kind of gently just putting this in his mouth, okay? And he's, doesn't love this. Sometimes this can be a little tricky, if they're in a bird cage with a lot of toys. You may want to take some toys out of the cage while your bird has a collar on, but again, you can see he wants to bite me. If I kind of come at him like this, he could easily bite me. I'm just going to come up behind the collar. Oops. And when he turns around to try to get me, I'm just holding the back so he can't reach me. He's trying to swing around and get me, but he can't reach me. And then I'm just going to come up here, grab underneath, and pick him up. Don't bite me, Monty. Okay? All right.